that now you have to write this same as it is but with the opposite sign. Hello everyone, so in this lecture we will study how to write quickly character table for the C2v and D3h point group. Now see, and it will help you in mainly college examination, but it depends on you how you use it. So see, I will teach you how to write the characters, this 1 minus 1, these things. So write C2v, this is a Schoenfly notation, C2v, and here we have the number of classes for, this is for C2v, let's say for H2O molecule. So this will be first E, this is C2, this is sigma V and sigma V dash. This is A1. I am assuming you know this much. This is very basic. Everybody knows it. This is A1, A2 and this is B1. A1, A2, B1, B2. Very simple. So first of all you have to write here, this is 1, 1, 1, 1 and in this line also you have to write 1, 1, 1. Very simple. Now how to write other characters? See this diagonal, this is a diagonal, you have to make it all positive. So this diagonal will be, this is 1, 1 and we have this value 1 and this is a diagonal, so we have here 1. Very simple. Now rest of the characters will be negative. So this is minus 1, minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1. So this is a character table for the C2v point group. Very easy, you can write these characters, you can match from the character table also. Now come to the D3h, how to write the characters for the D3h point group. So I am writing, let me adjust the angle. So yes, and let's say I am assuming you know the character table for C3v, which is your ammonia, and C3v is nothing but this is E, 2C3 and 3 sigma V, and in the C3v we have this A1 and A2 and E. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1 and this is 2 and we have how much, this will be 1 plus 1 minus 1 is 0 and this is minus 1 and again here it is minus 1. So how to write for the D3h? Now for D3h you see, first of all we have here E, then 2C3 number of classes, this is 3C2 and there is a sigma h also and we have 2S3 and 3 sigma V. Now see how to write, very easy. Again write here A1, just apply a dash and A2 dash and this is E, alright, dash, and we have again repeat this unit, this is A2, just write here A1 sorry, now apply double dash and this is, write again A2, just apply double dash and E again double dash. So you have to repeat from this ammonia point group, C3 point group. So how to write the characters? Just write these values. So this is 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So this is 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 0. Again repeat these values. Again repeat as it is. This is 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 0. And for here again repeat this unit, 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 1 minus 1. This is 2 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 0. Now just take care that now you have to write this same as it is but with the opposite sign. So it will be, this is, if this is 1 then it will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1, opposite 1, minus 1, minus 1 opposite is 1, 2 is minus 2 and minus 1 is 1 and 0 is as it is 0. So this is a point group for the D3h character table. Very easy. If you know the point group the character table for C3v, then it is very easy to write for the D3h. So this was I was running short of time, so I thought why not share this some tips and tricks. So for the next time, thank you, subscribe to the channel, and bye.